million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey, I'm back with some new hair drip from my good friends over there at Beauty Forever Hair. Y'all know I absolutely love them and what we do with human hair on this channel. We'll try them if we like them. We'll keep rocking with them. If they're trash, we'll say they're trash, never hear from them again. Beauty Forever does not fall into that category. We absolutely love them. If you look down in the description box, you'll see all the details on this wig, direct link, all that stuff. All I've done is take this out of its shipping packaging because I like to look at stuff with y'all. Okay, so not only they include the wig, they gave us a baggie with a headband, some stocking caps, a edge little band, makeup brush, some eyelashes, a bonnet. Okay, all right. So thank you, Beauty Forever Hair. Let's see what hair they sent us for this week, y'all. This is a 24-inch Jerry curl wig. All right. Okie dokie. I just reviewed another wig that's kind of just like this, but it's a different company. So I know I'm going to like this because, y'all, this is going to be like the throw on and go version of a wig. You get that 4x4 in the front. You get a comb in the back, adjustable straps. Oh, and you get 2 combs up here in the front as well. Y'all, this is going to literally take me like 4 seconds to put on my head. Okay, let's cut off this lace. I'm gonna wet it with some water and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts, at 5 minutes tops. All I did was spray this with water, and this is what we got. If you put some mousse in it, of course, it will be curlier. I just cut off that lace. That's the beauty of a 4x4, y'all. I absolutely love a 4x4 because, like I said, it is like the throw on and go version of human hair. Absolutely love this one. Can I recommend this one? Yes, but y'all, that's just about every wig, not just about. That is every wig that we've gotten from Beauty Forever. I absolutely love them. If you look in that description box, you'll see a coupon code. Be sure to use it. This is perfect, like vacation, summery hair, and I absolutely love it. Like I always say, maybe you might not be into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Bianca. Maybe it's your Uncle Barry. Whichever one, send them my way. Me and Beauty Forever, we'll get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.